Right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Heart and Hands on Deck Care. A new chamber member, and we're welcoming you to the community. And, obviously wish you all the most success for your new venture. Thank you for belonging to the chamber.
No, thank you.
Oh my gosh. I just wanted to, we're looking at all the services that you're providing and just wanted you to kind of tell us what services you're going to provide for our community. You don't mind.
So basically we have 3 branches, 3 departments. First one will be home care services, where we're gonna be providing care at home for our senior citizens or whoever is in need. And then we will have interpretation services for whoever is in need for an interpreter or to translate some document. And we do CPR classes as something to help save life. So we're touching, this is where heart and hands come in. So we do heart, where we care for you, care for others. Hands, where we do CPR by helping. Yeah.
Well, we're so excited to have you here in Apopka. We are always honored to be a part of the ribbon cutting for new businesses, especially small businesses here in Apopka. So thank you for choosing Apopka to set up your new business.
Thank you for choosing us.
Okay, we're going to count them down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yay. Awesome.